Hello Xellux, Excel for Finance and Accounting. In Microsoft Excel, we are calculating loan payments using the PMT function in Excel. Download the process file if you are watching outside YouTube. Let's dive in. So we have this amount of loan, 1.2 million, with an interest rate of 5%, and it will take 3 years to actually repay back this loan. How much will you be paying monthly? That's exactly what we want to calculate right now. How much will you be paying monthly in the period of 3 years, 5% rate, and amount of $1.2 million loan. So let's go. Let's calculate this. As we calculate it, we are using the Excel PMT function or payment function. So when you want to start any formula in Excel, we know that it's actually equal to. Then you type your PMT. Then you press your tab key. In your argument here, we have rate, number of period, present value, and the likes. So let's go. The first thing here, argument here is what? Is rate. Rate. So what is the rate here? Is 5%. So I'll click on it. But if you click on 5% and just move on, then your calculation will be correct because you are actually paying the 5% every month for 12 months. So it takes 12 months to complete a year. So which means 5% rate, you need to divide it by what? By 12, since you are paying it, this loan, every month for 12 months. That's making it 1 year. So I'll divide it by 12. That's it. Then I'll press comma. Then number of period. How many years will it take you to actually repay $1.2 million loan? You understand? How many years? So the long time there is 3 years. So I'll click on the 3 years there. Now, you cannot just move on and say, okay, we've gotten it. Number of period. No, that is not it. You need to actually multiply it by 12. Since you are paying it every year for 3 years. And each year we have 12 months. So that is why. So that is it. Press comma. Then the last one is what? Present value. Your present value is your what? Is your loan that you actually obtained $1.2 million. So you click on it, then you press enter. Yagzi. So that is our loan. So let me actually click here and drag it down. So that is it. So that's how you actually calculate monthly payments with a loan you actually receive for 3 years with an interest rate of 5% in loan amount 1.2 million. See you in next class. I'll say light out.